This is scene 2. The guests, Mrs. Harding and Mrs. Lee, have arrived.
So, you like Langford, Mrs. Hadley. I'm very glad.
Yes, we like it very much. It's not as same as London, but there is very nice people here, and we have found a good house here.
What beautiful children you have, Mrs. Harding. I have often seen them walking along the road.
No, I don't have any children.
Oh, yes, you have. I have seen them. A little boy and a little girl.
No, I don't have any children. Believe me.
Oh,
There must be someone else's children. Have you met Mrs. Best? He is a nice person and he lives near you.
oh, Mr. Best. He lives here and he works in London. He goes all the way to London by train every morning and then he comes all the way back by train every night. He lives in trains. What kind of life is that? Why do people do things like that? They do not know how to live. And he reads 2 newspapers in the train every day. He never reads a book. But he is only a banker and bankers can think.
My brother is a banker. He goes London by train every morning and back every night. He reads 2 newspapers in the train every morning and every night.
Oh, I am sorry. I didn't know.
Bankers have to always read a lot of newspapers. Do you know Mrs. Best? She is a nice woman. I like her.
But have you seen her clothes? She goes out in a blue dress with a red coat over it.
I have a blue dress and I often put my red coat over the same time.
I like blue dresses and red coats.
I saw Mrs. Cotter this afternoon. I met her in the street. No one sees in the morning because she always stays in bed then and she is always asking the doctor to go to see her. I can't understand women who stay in bed in the morning. And why must she always ask for a doctor? I have never been to a doctor in my life.
I stay in the bed myself in the morning.
I often go to the doctor.
Oh, I am sorry.
Do you know Mrs. Grantley? She is one of my best friends.
But she is so talkative. Talkative women aren't very interesting, are they?
My mother is a very talkative woman.
Oh, I am sorry. I didn't know. Oh, there is a dog again. It always looks very dirty. I don't like dogs. Do you? Who wants a dog? That dog is always near our house. Why do people keep dogs? Who wants a dog? Why doesn't its owner keep it clean? Have you seen it?
Yes, I have seen it. That's my dog.
Oh, I didn't know. There is Mr. Pomeroy on his horse. He is always talking about horses. He rides a horse every day and practices shooting. Why must he do that? What have they done to Mr. Pomeroy? Why do some men like horses more than they like people? It's hard to understand men.
My brother practiced shooting when he was the time and he rides horse when he can. He sold his house in London and bought a house here because he wanted to practice the shooting.
It's getting late. We must go now. Mrs. Shaw, it's had been very nice to talk.
Very nice. It was very good to talk with you and come to see us. Please stay a little longer.
Oh, must you stay? Can't you go?
सर आप बोलिए इसलिए मैं बंद कर दिया
इधर ग्रुप में
सर